This is the full mount case from converting from the denture and old provisional. Then we will going to make the fixed restoration. So now after we made this and make the bite, and it was bite too long. Why? I checked the tooth to tooth, and the gum will be this much for this restoration. So my focusing is here. Whenever I check the K9 to K9, that much too long for fixed restoration. Denture, yes, you need a gum, but whenever I check, we almost there, but still too long to me. So what are you going to do? I want to decrease this much, so then we can get this is much better. So right now, even does great waxer, it's humongous job. We have to still bring it down the vertical a little bit more down like that. So issue is here what we add is kind of edge to edge. I did not like it, so I have to bring it in this one inside and bring it out this, and finally I have to match just like upper denture and lower denture, which is class 1. That's the key. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it back the incisal tip, bring it in, and then think then should be okay. So I like the midline size of a tooth, and here's a little bit tricky part, especially this. I have to make more. He made already thin as possible. Great. So eventually I have to make the lateral. I have to make really good separation. It's really tough here. And like I said, this is still high, lower. I'm going to trim it, and then I'm going to bring down the upper. So I want the curve of a spin wheel since this one's still high. This one's still high to me, so I can cut it. And then I can add the upper teeth is bring down. So here's a little bit fat, and we cut it because this is porcelain fused bridge. Okay, so that's the key. So I'm going to cut it, and we can take a picture too. Okay, thank you. Alright, so after just casting, then you can use, we're using pliers, and then diminish that one, just cracking. There's a proper way, do not use a hammer. So this is very rare as a matter of porcelain fused metal. Full mouth cases, kind of we do not have much time. Everybody over time working. Now we can do a sandblaster, right? Okay, go ahead. Alright, you see. Okay, this is the finer. And we have to cut now screw. Can you show me the fitting? Love it. Good. Awesome. Thank you. Still tight because very difficult angulations about the implants. Trying to fit it as close as possible with the multiple implants. Okay, this is another skeleton types, but multiple implant, but 14 implants. We made it frame design, which is mono, completely is mono. The only thing is difference is between the tissue we just modified, exactly duplicated. We cut it. It's very specified in individual teeth, make it like that. Other than that, everything looks good. And then we discuss about the doctors about here, which is screw out. So which is we did, and then we make the slightly out, which is people not notice it. Slightly make out, right? So they can patching a little bit of a composite. So upper skeleton types is done. Okay, and then here's a bite, and then now it's ready to go. Well, I mean, it's halfway done, so okay, that's cool. So now multiple unit implant is tough case. This is mono, which is hydroxyl guys. So we check all monolithic except pink, and then we aesthetic as much as possible. Now we ready to cement. It's pretty tough, has little angulations, so we're trying to put carefully the cementations as much as possible. And then here's lower as well. I think they already cemented. That's good. Okay, so now cement is only upper. This is occlusion. Okay, so this is a little bit was issue, but we hide it and make the facial contours out and finish it. Great. So whenever they smile, they cannot notice much about this. That's good. Then we're going to cement tomorrow. I'll show you the final. Thank you.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon to receive access to his weekly training sessions with live chat and interactive responses, as well as the many other videos and resources that he will be releasing exclusively on Patreon.